morning children. Namaste. Welcome back. Children, in the last class you have learned that rocks are used for various purposes. Like rocks are used as building material, rocks are provided with metals, fuels and gemstones. Children, you have also learned that coal, petroleum and natural gas are called as fossil fuels as they are formed from decay of dead plants and animals. Coal. Coal is a black sedimentary rock formed from dead plants. Petroleum. Petroleum is a thick black liquid formed from dead plants and animals. Natural gas. Children, natural gas is obtained from the same rock where coal and petroleum are found, and it is also formed from the decay of dead plants and animals. Children, these fossil fuels, it will take millions of years for formation of these fossil fuels. So we need to conserve these fossil fuels and we need to use them very wisely. Children, let us start today's session. Lesson number 3, Rocks and Minerals. Words to memorize. Hematite. H-A-E-M-A-T-I-T-E. Hematite. An important ore of iron. Hematite. An important ore of iron. Magnetite. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-T-E. Magnetite. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-T-E. Magnetite. A grey blackish mineral and important ore of iron. Bauxite. B-A-U-X-I-T-E. Bauxite. B-A-U-X-I-T-E. Bauxite. An important ore of aluminium. Precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Precious. Very valuable. Precious. Very valuable. Emerald. E-M-E-R-A-L-D. Emerald. E-M-E-R-A-L-D. Emerald. A bright green precious stone. Emerald is a bright green precious stone. Topaz. T-O-P-A-Z. Topaz. T-O-P-A-Z. Topaz. It is a type of precious stone. Sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E. Sapphire. Blue colored gemstone. Sapphire is a blue colored gemstone. Opal. O-P-A-L. Opal. A precious stone with a pale color. Opal. O-P-A-L. Opal. A precious stone with a pale color. Metals. Children, already you have learned that rocks are made up of substances called minerals. We get metals from minerals present in rocks. The mineral rich rocks from which we obtain metals are called ores. We obtain iron from its ores, hematite and magnetite. Children, here you can see image of hematite and you can see image of magnetite, children. These are two ores from which we can obtain iron. Iron is used for various purposes and it is used to make various things like gates, window frames, bicycles, benches. And here in the image, children, you can see iron nails, and iron rods. Aluminium. Aluminium is a metal obtained from its ore bauxite. Children, here you can see image of bauxite ore, children. We use aluminium to make utensils, machines, wires, coins and aircraft. Children, here you can see images of aluminium utensils, aluminium wires, aluminium coins and aircraft made up of aluminium. Metals such as gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Here you can see image of gold jewelry and silver jewelry, children. Gemstones are precious rocks that are cut and polished to make jewelry. Diamond, emerald, ruby, sapphire, topaz and opal are some examples of gemstones. Children, here in the image you can see diamond. You can see emerald. Emerald is a bright green precious stone. You can see ruby. Ruby is a pinkish red precious stone. Children, in image you can see sapphire. Sapphire is a blue colored gemstone. You can see image of topaz. It is a yellow colored precious stone, children. And you can see opal. Opal is a precious stone with a pale color. But when you see opal in different directions, children, when you look from different directions, it will show different colors in it. Children, in today's session, you have learned that we get metals from mineral-rich rocks called as ores. Iron is a metal obtained from its ores, hematite and magnetite. Aluminium is a metal obtained from its ore, bauxite. Gold and silver are metal used to make jewelry. Children, we also get gemstones from the rocks. Gemstones are precious rocks which are cut and polished to make jewelry. Children, now read the lesson and do the given work. Thank you.